Hi, this is Perry from Bono Hair. Do you know why this Katy Hairline Topper becoming the 2025 bestseller? Let me reveal a secret. First, the natural hairline, made with 100% virgin human hair, is hand-tied onto ultra-thin HD Swiss lace. It creates a scalp effect to reveal your clients won't believe it's a topper. Second, the secure fit silicone tab combined with a halo wire guarantee all-day stability. No sleepy, no shifting, just total confidence. Third, the breathable design, lightweight and airy. It keeps clients comfortable even in hot weather. It offers 1.5 by 11 inches coverage, length from 12 to 20 inches, and colors ranging from natural blonde to balayage. Last but not least, see how easy to apply. Just place, align, adjust, and done. That's why salons keep restocking and Katy Hairline Topper. Add it to your wholesale collection today and watch it fly off your shelves.